In sports, we're out the blocks with athletics news. Excitement was unstoppable at Velocity Fest 19, where athletes pushed their limits and delivered unforgettable moments at the National Stadium on Sunday night. Our reporter Marlon Samuels has some of the highlights from an electrifying day of competition.
Elaine Thompson-Hero made a sensational return, blazing through the heats of the 100 meters with a season best time of 10.92 seconds, showing she's still a force to be reckoned with.
Center, great start for Lavanya Williams. Elaine Thompson-Hero now begins to stand forward. Oh, that's the speed of the center. Let's look at the time.
And in the final, Lavanya Williams surged to victory with a personal best of 10.96 seconds, cementing her status as a rising star in sprinting.
Second away for this one. Great start lane 3 for Johnny Williams. Lavanya Williams also here. Johnny satisfying with Lavanya Williams. 10.97.
Another standout was Adrian Carr, who clocked an impressive 20.28 seconds in the men's 200 meters, narrowly edging out world champion Seville, who finished 20.43 seconds.
Adrian Carr ahead of Seville. Adrian Carr over 200 meters is impressive. 20.29.
For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.